In this video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Clockify with ClickUp. First thing you need to do is to head over to clickup.com and then get started on your account by creating a new account, or you can also log in if you already have an account. I already have an account, so here it is right here. Next, head over to clockify.me and click onto this start tracking time, and then it should be able to prompt you to sign up for an account on Clockify. So just sign up using your work email or your Google. So here's Clockify right here. Now, in order to integrate it, we just need to head over and install this into our actual browser. Head over to a new tab and search in here for Clockify browser extension. Now, from in there, you can see this, the Chrome time tracking. You can click onto this right here. And then from in there, make sure to install the Clockify extension. Click on this Add to Chrome option. Wait for this to download and click on Add Extension. And once you're done from in there, this should be able to be added right here. So for this way, we just need to actually make it work through that. Once it's been installed, next thing you need to do is you can actually click onto that particular extension right here. Then make sure to sign in into your account on Clockify. Click onto this login option in order to log it in. Here it is right here already ready. So let's head over right here to our ClickUp and let's refresh it. Now from in there, make sure that your Clockify time tracker can read the site data on all sites. So once it's done loading, it should be able to give you the Clockify widget. Head over and click on a task on ClickUp. For example, I have in here this company, Charlie, and from in there you can see the Clockify integration already. You can either add time or start your timer. So make sure to click on this right here if you want to start the timer of your Clockify. And as you can see, this will be added. Make sure to click on this checkbox right here if it's available and click on done. And then after you have done that, you should be able to start the timer into this part, and you can also find it right here into the actual widget. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.